Want to change the registered mobile number for your Airtel digital TV account? Well, the process is extremely easy and can be done via the Airtel Thanks app. Here's how you can do it. Open the Airtel Thanks app. On the Manage screen, tap on the Services card on the top. Find and tap on the preferred digital TV card. Now, on the Service Detail page, scroll down the page to Quick Actions and tap on Update Account. On the Update Account page, tap on the primary registered telephone number card to update new number. Once the number has been changed, scroll down the page and tap on the Save button. Once the request has been made, a pop-up will appear on the screen of successful completion. Post successful registered mobile number change, you will receive an SMS confirmation for the same. Facing issues in managing your digital TV account? Get immediate assistance by tapping on the Help option on the home screen and click on Chat now. Airtel cares. We are here to help.